Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Emi Machibong. I'm a singer-songwriter and I'm also a pharmacist. In today's video, I'll be talking about common weight loss myths, part 2. So the first video that I did on this topic was a few weeks ago where I named 6 common weight loss myths and I busted some of them, I proved some of them to be true and I proved some of them to be true and false. In today's video, I'll be continuing on with that video. So this is part 2 where I will mention 4 more common weight loss myths and I will be telling you, in my opinion, if I think they're true, if I think they're false, if I think they're both true and false. So if you'd like to find out more, please feel free to watch on. And before I go any further, I'd like to ask you to please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends if you find its content useful. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I share a new video. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Weight loss myth number 7. Healthier foods are more expensive. I'd like to say that this is false. Ways that it's very possible that people think that healthier foods are more expensive because when you go to the shop to buy healthier food, it looks like it's more expensive. But when you think about it, eating out is more expensive because it might feel like, oh, it's cheap to go to McDonald's and buy £1.99 cheeseburger. But the thing is, if you're doing this day in, day out, it works out more expensive. If you're buying your raw ingredients and cooking at home, it might feel expensive when you're buying your raw ingredient. But if these ingredients last you a while, maybe a week or even more than a week, maybe 2 weeks, then you're actually saving money in the long run. So try and buy frozen fruits and vegetables. They last longer, so you can just buy them and just store them and eat them when you're ready to eat them. Or you can try buying cheaper value range healthy foods, and this is usually there's not much difference between the cheaper value products and the branded products. And then you can also write a shopping list when you go shopping, because this will prevent you from buying things you don't need. So writing a shopping list will just make it so that you buy just what you need. And also cooking at home is cheaper than eating out, because of the fact that when you're eating out, it costs more in the long run, because although the ingredient for cooking at home is more expensive, in the long run it does work out cheaper. Number 8, slimming pills are safe. I have to say that this is not true. Some slimming pills are safe if it's been suggested by your doctor, but generally the doctor will tell you to also watch your diet and exercise, as well as taking something like Ally. Allyzen is a product that's a brand name for Orlistat, which is been known to help with weight loss, but it's usually best if you're also applying lifestyle changes to your strategy as well. So speak to your doctor, because some sleeping pills are safe if they've been prescribed by a doctor, but generally when people say slimming pills, it tends to be slimming pills that they find online or they just buy of their own accord. And I believe that this do not work, and even if they work short term, and they might have a lot of side effects that you don't know about, and there might be some serious side effects. Number 9, snacking is bad. I have to say this is false, because what it is snacking can actually help you lose weight in the long run. The reason is because having a no snacking diet is difficult to sustain in the long run. So if you know that you're gonna want a snack, then what you should be doing is finding healthier snacks that you can snack on. For example, rice cakes, fruits, nuts, vegetables. So carrying these around instead of buying processed snacks is a better option than not snacking at all. Snacking once in a while can make it easier to stick to a balanced diet. Number 10, eating after 8 p.m. will make you gain weight. This, I have to say, is false. The reason I say this is false is it all depends on your caloric intake. So if later in the evening you're hungry, it's fine to eat, but just choose something that's healthier. What I tend to try to do is eat proteins later at night. So if I'm hungry, I'll eat something that's high in proteins and maybe high in fiber, like veg, instead of eating what I would normally eat earlier on in the day. The reason that it might make sense that eating after 8 p.m. will make you gain weight is the fact that if you eat after 8 p.m., the likelihood is you'll be resting or going to bed. So you won't be exercising and working off the food that you've just eaten. So it is better to eat earlier on in the day. But there's nothing, it's better for your health in general. Because, for example, someone like me, if I don't eat before I go to bed, I cannot sleep. And I think it's better for your health in general if you eat something healthy, like a source of protein or a source of fiber just before you go to bed, like maybe oats or mixed veg with like chicken or fish. If you eat that before you go to bed, it increases the chances that you'll sleep better as well, if being hungry keeps you up. Thank you very much for watching this part 2 video on common weight loss myths. Before I go, I'd like to just leave you with a thought. When it comes to losing weight and weight loss, it's usually a combination of strategies that help most people lose weight, because losing weight isn't easy. But I want to also add that at whatever weight you are right now, you should accept yourself just the way you are, but also aim to be healthier. And also in terms of weight loss, because I've actually said it in the past that it's a cyclical process to break certain bad habits. So even when you're doing well in terms of eating right, exercising, sleeping well, drinking water, if some days you come off that disciplined state and you actually eat something you shouldn't, or you don't exercise for 1 or 2 days, don't beat yourself up about it. When you accept yourself just as you are, then you see weight loss as a lifestyle change. You see it as trying to become a better version of yourself. So instead of beating yourself up when you don't do well, it's about picking yourself right back up and keep on going. By the way, I hope these weight loss myths help you in your journey to trying to lose weight. And I hope that you found the video useful. I share videos every Monday. So if you'd like to follow my channel and watch all my different videos, then please tune in every Monday or whenever you want to, but just information for you that I share every Monday. And don't forget to have a good day. The Singing Pharmacist signing out. God bless. Take care.